welcome back to Ace of Vegas. No cringy singing this time. We are actually just going to go ahead and dive straight into the games. And we're not gonna, I already gave you a rate, so you've already been rated. Don't worry about that, MyVegas, so you've gotten your review already. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and see where we left off. I think I said we were going to go ahead and play Kangaroo Country today. I wanted to play Rapid Gold and all that, but I haven't had any strong desire to play the slots lately, especially after I played through Comp City yesterday, which I honestly don't think needs a slot function. I mean, it was founded, it was invented by Anthony Curtis there, and he hates slots. He hates slots, I think, more than I do, honestly, and that's saying something because I despise the slot machines. So, alright, well, without further ado, let's go ahead and just get into Kangaroo Country here. This is looking super Australian over here. Alright, guys, let's go ahead and see. It didn't come up with the... Oh, it does come up with one. Okay. Well, let's not bother with the jackpots then, because we are not going to make that jackpot percentage. Let's just go ahead and put our 40 million through and put those 100 spins on the clock. On your mark, get set, ready, you know what to do. Okay, so I guess while we're on the subject of Comp City, so after playing through it, I'm really kind of on the edge as to whether I want to bother with a how to play guide. It feels like it should play exactly like Binions, and I'm just not too terribly interested in making another Binions guide right now. At the same time, though, there are a couple prizes I really do want, like there actually is a prize where you and your guests can actually go meet Anthony Curtis and have a full dinner with him. I'm not sure how it actually works. I'm not sure if you get to have, like, if you get to just chat with them, or if it's like, if he gives you gambling advice or what it is, and I have no idea what I'd even want to ask him, honestly. I feel like I'd ask him about blackjack stuff, mainly because blackjack's the only game, well, blackjack, baccarat, and I like poker, video poker especially. Those are the games in the casino I really like. I should like craps too. Craps is a pretty cool game, but it's, it's a little chaotic and doesn't seem to favor skill play very much, and that's the thing I really like to do. I like to show off my mad skill play, so that's another thing that just kind of bugs me about craps. You don't really get to do that. Yeah, no, craps is always one of those games where all you need is a little bit of energon and a lot of luck, as Peter Cullen would say. That's Optimus Prime. That's not the vampire from those boy band movies. No, that's the real OG right there. Optimus Gangster, Optimus Prime. Yeah. So, I don't know, the Comp City might be pretty interesting. If nothing else, I might play it just so I can get the Las Vegas Advisor membership. And I'm only thinking about that because, it does have a pretty good coupon book. There's a lot of amazing things you used to be able to get out of it. Like, you used to be able to get, like, match play and free play and all that. So you could actually make a lot of free money from it. And really take advantage of some comps that normally wouldn't otherwise be there. So, oh, wow, we got ourselves our first bonus here. Let's see what's going on here. Looks like we got they're free spins. So the Kangaroos are free spins. I feel like I should do this whole accent with an Australian, whole video with an Australian accent. Not sure why I said that backwards. Actually, I'm gonna think about it. Who do I know that can do a proper Australian accent? I think Troy can. The Joker of Yu-Gi-Oh, another YouTuber I used to do a lot of collabs with when I did Yu-Gi-Oh still. He's actually Australian, but he doesn't have a really strong Australian accent. Oh, what? Was that 111 million? No. Yes, it was. Jeez. Well, okay, I think this is probably the best game in MyVegas we've had thus far. Hands down. Wow. I don't even know what we triggered to make that work, but okay. That's off a $400,000 bet. And we got 111 million back. See, I think that's part of the gimmick with slots is the fact that that sort of stuff can happen. It's not terribly likely, but I think that's what the draw to slots is. It requires no effort. There was no way for us to actively trigger that because we have no idea what triggered it exactly, but it worked. And that's the important thing, the fact that it did work. Oh, good lord. I think that's going to be like a triple return percentage here if we, that's going to be a triple digit return percentage for sure. But I think that's going to be like 200-300% easy. Actually, let me count that out. It's depending on how we break it down. It depends on how we do. Because we could still miss every single other bet that we have here. It's impossible to lose. Even if we miss every other spin that we have, literally every spin that we have from now on, another 50 spins, that'd only be 20 million. So there's no way to lose this one. Honestly, we could just go ahead and close it up right now and call it a good day, but I'd like to go ahead and get a few loyalty points from this. Oh, I mean, it looks like I did. So that's cool, I guess. Alright. Yeah, that was quite a hit right there. Nice. 5, cool. Alright, another big one. Yeah, I was not expecting a full 111 million off of that. That was insane. But yeah, it's got me thinking. I don't know. You guys think I should still play the Comp City slots, get as much as I can, and see if I can get that 60,000 tickets? I already got 100 right now. Not that that's really a lot. I still got to get 600 times that. So the way I figure it, if I do 100 tickets a day playing that game for the next, what would it be? Another 2 months. Let me see. I did the math wrong on that one. I don't know. Even if I did 100 tickets a day, it would still take forever. Because I'd only have 3,000 tickets at the end of a month. So it would take me like over a year and a half to get that 60,000. I wouldn't mind getting the 35,000, but that would take me like, that would take me the entire year to get 35,000 put together. Now again, and it would be really cool to have dinner with the, with like the greatest gambler of all time. He's definitely one of the strongest card counters ever, and he's just good at all the games too. He knows the games, he knows the math. Now that I don't know a lot of the math, but it's not my specialty. I don't specialize in probabilities and things like that, and I don't gamble that much. So it actually is a really cool sort of deal. Oh, all right, that was a big one. Another 4 million. Yeah, this game is really trying its best to help get us there. I think it's going to give us some more loyalty points, so I'll take those loyalty points. Come on, another kangaroo. Nope. I can see how this game gets you really into slots, though, just the near misses. I actually felt like I was ready for that near miss there, and I'm really disappointed in myself because of that. It's usually a trait of a slot player and an addicted slot player at that, so I'm not terribly proud of myself with that one, but, we did pretty good. Alright, that was a pretty good game. That's a good game. Alright, so it looks like we ended with 300, oh gosh. Okay, so it looks like we ended with 322,254,322. So I think it's time to go ahead and take a quick break here and count up the booty. Okay guys, we're back. So after we did the number crunching here, so it looks like we put 40 million through the machine, and then we pulled out 97,870,000. So we actually, we more than doubled our money here. We came back with a 244.67% payback on that. But yeah, that was definitely one of our best games there. So that's definitely getting a favorite. I'm really glad about that because that's actually a really fun game to play. So we actually have 2 favorites on this play. So hopefully Mirage goes just as well tomorrow. So we'll go ahead and check that out tomorrow. But until then, Ace of Vegas is just going to go ahead and sign out. Happy spinning, you guys.